Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Minecraft. You got an error, unable to prepare assets for download, launching the game failed. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, simply you need to click on the marketplace, and after going to the marketplace, you need to re-download any add-on or upgrades that you have done earlier. This is a simple step, although the issue is fixed by doing this simple method. Now if this failed to work out, let's proceed with the next. In next step, you need to right click on start menu and choose option run. Type here percentage, app data percentage, and then hit the enter key. Now right over here you will find a folder with the name .minecraft. Open the folder and here open save folder. Here you will find a list of worlds that you are playing. So what you need to do is to right click on the world that you are going to play, copy it and paste it onto your desktop to make a backup of that particular folder. After doing a backup, again go to the roaming folder, right click on the Minecraft folder and choose option delete. Once the folder is deleted, you need to relaunch your Xbox, click on 3 dot icon next to your game and choose the option uninstall. Once the game is uninstalled properly, make sure to restart your PC. And once your system restart, hit the install option, select the installation directory and hit the next button to install the Minecraft right into your system. And once the Minecraft is properly installed, you need to launch the game. And once you launch the game, 1 or 2 error may occur, but you should keep trying 2 or 3 times. After trying 2 to 3 times, again you need to open run command, type in the same command percentage app data percentage, then hit the enter key, and right over here you will find .minecraft folder. Once you find the folder, you need to copy the particular world that we have made a backup onto the desktop by copy and paste the folder right into the save folder so that any progress that you have done is not lost. After doing so, you are ready to play the game and the issue of launching the game failed will be completely fixed out. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.